Hello my bunnies, it's Ticky's Trinkets here, and today I have for y'all a different kind of video. This particular video is going to be kind of like an ASMR video. I am going to have the natural sounds of me packing, but I'm also going to lay over music, and I'll try to keep it like as a quiet tone of music. I'm going to be packing up my little freebie packs that come with every Etsy order, just so you can see what comes with every Etsy order and see the process that I go through. Again, this is going to be, besides me talking now, more of a quiet video, so I hope you enjoy that. Also, I have on a St. Patty's Day headband in honor of St. Patrick's Day coming up. As of right now, this is going to be uploaded March 11th, I think. I think it will be. Either way, you'll see it. But I hope you guys enjoy this. I hope you have a happy St. Patty's Day. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in next week's video, which I don't know what it'll be yet, but you'll see when it comes. I think it might be a monthly artist feature, but I'm not sure. But you'll see when it comes. All right, thank you guys for watching. Let's get into this. Bye-bye, my bunnies. Hello again. Just like I said in the intro, this is going to be an ASMR kind of video where I'm going to be packaging all my little freebie packets to restock them because I'm very low. Again, I used to use different stickers, but now I don't. But now I'm just going to go ahead and start packaging and lay over some music to this. I hope you enjoy this video. I think that's good for now. I'm going to do more of these off camera, but I hope you enjoyed this quick little packing ASMR kind of video. And if you'd like to see more stuff like this in the future, just leave it down in the comments below so you can enjoy watching me pack things or pack up freebies or drawings on boxes and stuff like that, and I can start making different kind of content for y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in next week's video, which I don't know what it'll be yet, but I will let you know then. I love you guys so much. Bye-bye, my bunnies.